Hi there! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use CamScanner, AdobeScan, and Adobe Fill and Sign application on mobile device. First, let me start with CamScanner app. CamScanner is a document scanning app that can convert images into PDF. Most of students use this application to submit their handwritten assignment online. When you start the application for the first time, you can sign up and save your documents to the cloud so that you can access them on other platforms. If you have a student email, you can enjoy not all but many premium features for free for a year. To start scanning, tap on the camera icon. Here, you can see that there are many options. PPT, which is helpful for PowerPoint, Image to Excel, which convert images to Excel sheet, ID Photo Maker, which can help take photos of IDs and passport, OCR, which can convert the document into text, ID card, which can make two-sided e-copy of an ID card. You can also scan a book, a question book, greeting card, and QR code. The most commonly used option is Docs, which helps to scan documents. Before capturing the photo, you can enable the flash, HD mode, enable or disable the auto capture, and auto rotate the device. In this menu, you can also enable the grid, sound, and the spirit level. Now, let's scan the document. Make sure the background color is darker or different than the document color so that the app can detect the edges accurately. Here, you can rotate the image and move the edges. Tap the next button to proceed. Now you can see the document more clearly. There are many options for filters, and the most common one is the magic color filter, which gives a nice scan document look. Before saving the document, you can add text to cover the spots that are not clear. When you are done, tap the right icon. To add new pages, tap here. This is a premium feature that allows multiple pictures in one page. Now, let's open this page. At the bottom, you can see that there are options such as adding smudge, notation, watermark, and text. You can also add some note for the document. For sharing, you can share it in link via other apps or share it as PDF, JPEG, and long image. When you tap the menu option, you can rename the document. Anyway, you can also import files or images from your gallery instead of directly taking pictures. On the main screen, you can filter the type of documents by tapping on all docs and select the type. You can also create new folder and change either you want the grid or list view. So that's how the CamScanner app works. We move on to the second app, which is AdobeScan. AdobeScan is also a scanning app. It allows us to scan physical documents, crop, and adjust the image and convert it into PDF. Here you can see many options such as whiteboard, form, document and business card, and the most commonly used is document. Instead of taking picture directly, you can import images from your gallery. You can also choose to enable or disable the auto capture and flash. Now, let's try capturing the document. The app will automatically detect the edges and you can adjust it if you want. When you are done, tap Continue to add new page or retake if you are not satisfied with the captured image. Now, we can see that it definitely doesn't look like a photo anymore. It is processed into PDF, which is way easier to read, especially when you want to submit your exam answer. At the bottom, you can choose to add new page, reorder, crop or rotate the page. You can also change the color if you want and apply it to all pages. The cleanup feature allows you to erase any unwanted spot or smudge it with other color. You can zoom in for better precision. The size of the eraser is also adjustable. To rename the document, click the pencil icon. When you are done, tap on Save PDF. Now you can share it in link, email or copy through other platforms where you want to submit it. You can also read the document in Adobe Acrobat app and put some comments. That's all for AdobeScan. Move on to the third app, which is Adobe Fill and Sign. This application helps you to fill out and sign forms on your phone without needing to print anything. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this app. Firstly, select the form that you want to fill out. You can choose either from PDF file or photo library. You can also take a picture of the form and it will directly turn to the AdobeScan app. Now I will be using the sample form. When you want to fill in the box with a notation, long press and choose the notation that you want. To fill in a text, just simply tap anywhere to create a space so you can type in it. You can click on the A there to increase or decrease the font size and hold and move to adjust the position. When you tap on the profile icon, this is where you can build up your profile. Just put in your information and it will be easier for you to fill out form as you don't have to type it many times. Next, you can also create signature and you can just use your finger to draw directly on the screen. Your signature will be saved there and you can just paste it where you want it to be. And again, if you want to add a text, just tap lightly and you will be able to enter the date here. If you click the dot icon, it will give different type of fill-in, which is divided letters where the characters each have their own slot. When you are done, you can save and share it via other platforms that you want. You can also click on the dot icon to refer the help guide. So that's how the Adobe Fill and Sign works.